to my channel. I don't want to do too much talking in this video because I really enjoy this new track I have playing, but today I will be showing you guys how I customize a lace front wig that I got from SuperNova hair company. It is a 22-inch lace front wig, body wave texture, 180% density, which is a very thick density for a long length wig. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of information. Of course, you can find the rest of the information in the description box below, where you can find the links to this exact wig itself. But I just want to show you guys how this wig was directly out of the box, out of the packaging, because it is definitely what you would call a kind of stock looking wig, just because the hairline was extra full. But one thing I can say about this is that I really loved how thick this wig was. It's very thick. I chose not to get a full lace wig because they're a lot more tricky to deal with opposed to having tracks sewn onto the cap. But I'm just showing you guys the inside construction of the cap. They have the adjustable straps, the combs, showing you guys the parting space. It's not a lot of parting space. And then you see the knots have not been bleached, which is exactly what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm not showing you guys me mixing the ingredients or the products, but I am using the BW2 powder along with 20 volume developer and some aluminum foil, which I'm going to be placing on the frontal part in a few seconds from now. But I'm going to be leaving that mixture on the wig for 25 minutes with aluminum foil to process, because we need those knots to be lifted for the most natural look possible. Hey guys, now we're getting into basically the most tedious part of the customization process, which is plucking. And I actually hate plucking. It doesn't matter what it is, I just hate it because it takes a lot of time and I haven't perfected it yet. So I hate anything I haven't perfected. But aside from that, if you can see, I have a few white marks on the frontal because I placed it on my head and I basically just mapped out where the peaks of my hairline were, and those are the points where I needed to pluck more. And my plucking looks very pathetic on camera and it looks like I'm not doing anything, but you're gonna see me combing hair out. That's just how tedious this is. You can pluck and it looks like you're not really doing much, but you are. But what tip I can say for plucking is that I like to pluck going towards the back, having all of the hair, even the included baby hairs, so I can de-stifle the hairline, if that even made sense. But to make the hairline less straight of a line and break it up a little bit, and then later on in this video you're gonna see me actually section off the baby hairs and pluck behind the baby hairs to add some space so it won't be as bulky. So yeah guys, I'm still in the process of really learning what works best for me and how to refine my technique for plucking. But don't get discouraged because not everybody is great at it, as you can see. So I'm just working with what I got, just trying to break it up a little bit. But one thing I will say is that me customizing this wig took about a total of 3 days, because this was like the rough draft tweeze, and then the next day when I was wearing the wig I saw how wiggy it looked. I didn't include any clips of how it looked beforehand, but just know it looked wiggy, so I had to go back and tweeze more. So you're gonna see an outfit change in this video, which is gonna represent a different day. But yeah guys, here I am just plucking my life away, just trying to make this look a little more natural. So I think this is gonna be the last little bit that I talk in this video. Yeah. All right, I did not make this wig that I'm wearing right now, but look at this customization. Okay, wait, hold on. Oh yeah, let's get up in there. Come on, focus. Focus on this. Focus. Yes, focus, focus, focus. Yup. And one thing about this wig is that the parting space is not a lot. It's like, what, maybe 3 inches compared to the standard like 4 to 5. So definitely when you get this wig, you have to pluck the hairline back some, because if not, it's gonna look like your forehead literally, your scalp literally starts on your forehead, and that's not a good look. But this is what it looks like after I've done my customizing. Be mindful that I have not used any adhesive. I did use Got2b glue gel to lay down the edges, but I didn't use it to adhere the lace to my skin. So this is just how I fleeked this unit. And like I said, this is a 22-inch body wave lace front unit from SuperNova hair, and 22 inches. Now this hair has to be longer than 22 inches because it's like right at my hips. It's very, very long. But yeah, I really like this. I added my own little elastic band in it, you know, just for extra security. It can be worn without, you know, having an elastic band, but personally, that's just a little too risky for me, especially, you know, all of the stuff that be going on. People be ripping people's wigs off, and then the wind be exposing people. I ain't dealing with that. So I just went ahead and added an elastic band. I know for a fact my wig is not going to go anywhere, along with the 3 combs, actually 4 combs that come on the wig, 2 on the side, 1 on the top, and then 1 in the back. And the back one is the only one that I use just for that extra security. But yeah, guys, if you want to fully see how I customize and flick this wig out, don't hesitate, don't go anywhere, keep on watching.